when it comes to sensitive political issues. And the democracy, this is a democracy that thrives on open discussion, transparency, and debate. And here we have a minister, through his loud protestations, attempting to disrupt what I have to say. Yes, and I'd ask that you please desist and let me speak. If you want to speak on the matter, you can do so. Yes, thank you. So the point at the end of the day is this. In our view, these reports must be tabled as soon as possible after they come here. There's a strong public interest in that, because there's a strong public interest in the work of the Integrity Commission being facilitated to reduce corruption and other wrongs against the good governance of the country being perpetrated. And we on this side are going to always be assiduous about that. And when we attempt to do so and we're shut down, it's not a good look. It appears to be an attempt to use up the parliament in a way which is inimical to the interests of good governance and democracy. So, Madam Speaker, at the end of the day, I think we've rehashed this matter. If others want to speak, of course, it's their right. But that's the point. Those are the points that I wish to make this afternoon.
Thank you, Leader of the Opposition. As you indicate, deference is given very often to the Leader of Opposition, Leader of Government Business, Leader of Opposition Business, and respect is accorded to them, including Prime Minister, Deputy Prime Minister, the ministers. As a matter of fact, respect is afforded to every member of the House except the Speaker. No. No, that's how you behave. So when the Speaker makes a ruling, when the Speaker asks you to sit, you don't. And the Speaker must be heard in silent, Member Burhcell. No, not everybody. The Speaker, read your standing orders. No, this debate is on the standing orders. No, Leader of Opposition, the comment I, Leader of Opposition, Member Burhcell, huh? The member from St. James, the member from St. James South. Yes, please be quiet. Members, what I am attempting to say, if I'm allowed, is that this motion is a debate on the standing orders. The Leader of Opposition was allowed some deference. He went into other matters extensively. I am asking the remaining members to stick to the discussion being on the report being referred, which is to allow all the work done from the previous dispensation by myself and the committee that I chair, the Standing Orders Committee, that